Assalamu alaikum, peace be with you. I'm at the Pacific Ocean on Dillon Beach. Carol and I are having a wonderful time on this beautiful beach on this beautiful day. So I just thought I would share the views here. You can see it's lovely Pacific Ocean. But I'm thinking of Pakistan, thinking of Imran Khan Sahib and all the workers of the PTI who have been imprisoned. And I'm especially thinking of Syed Zaid Hamid Sahib, praying that he will enable the military to work together with Imran Khan instead of against him. And that will be the salvation of Pakistan, Khalistan. That's my conviction. So let us all pray together for the protection of Imran Khan Sahib and for the cooperation of Syed Zaid Hamid Sahib with him. And with that cooperation, the military will also cooperate with truth and justice, the forces of democracy in Pakistan for Hakiki Azad. Let us continue praying, praying, praying with great, intense sincerity and depth of feeling. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali innaka Hamid. Allahumma barak ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali innaka Hamid. Ek Onkar Satnam Karta Purakh Nirbhav Nirbhaya Rakala Murut Ajuni Se Bhangur Prasad Jap Aad Sach Jugad Sach Evi Sach Nanak Bi Sach Ave Maria Gratia Plena Dominus Tecum Benedicta tu in mulieribus et benedictus fructus ventris tui Iesus. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever. Amen. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shastri Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare. I am envisioning beautiful Pakistan, the leader of the world, leading the world to truth and justice, to love and harmony, as Pakistan and Khalistan become one, and especially the people of India, but the whole world become amazed at the love between the Sikhs and Muslims in Punjab. That will lead us all, inshallah, to the kingdom of God on earth. Real perfection of human existence, perfection of human history, and this whole world becomes one in love, in harmony, in truth and justice. Starting in Pakistan, Khalistan, alhamdulillah, it's happening now. All the people of Pakistan are being purified by all the difficulties. And so we're praying for you all, even while we're seeing this beautiful, beautiful ocean and beautiful beach. We're thinking of you all and praying for your safety and protection in Pakistan, and for your becoming great Ghazis in this great struggle, this great jihad, this great struggle for truth and justice. That is my prayer for all Pakistanis, especially members of PTI and Imran Khan Sahib, and also for the Pakistan military, and especially Syed Zaid Hamid Sahib. May you all achieve the real purpose of Pakistan, which is the re-establishment of pure Islam, love, truth, justice, righteousness, always remembering God and calling on His holy names, and always serving. This is out there. Allah Hafiz. May God protect us all.